I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device is ready. Make sure battery is above 20% and there's enough storage, because updates modify layouts. Once done, back up your current home layout to cloud or local storage so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings and navigate to the Display or Home Screen section. This is where you control grids, widgets, and icon behavior. Begin by selecting the home screen option labeled Layout, Grid, or Customize so the live preview loads immediately. Now you'll perform the detailed work of rearranging and customizing. First, change the grid and icon size so apps fit and remain legible. This affects how many apps show on each page. Then press and hold empty space to add, resize, or replace widgets. Drag them into position and use the live handles to change height or width. Make folders by dragging one app onto another, rename them for clarity, and move frequently used apps to the dock for faster access. Finish by applying or saving your changes and testing swipes, open gestures, and tap targets across all pages so nothing overlaps. If icons disappear or widgets fail after a restart, restore the backup you created earlier to recover the previous layout. If the screen shows misaligned elements, clear the launcher cache or restart the device, which often resolves display glitches. If problems persist, update or reinstall the launcher app and repeat the backup and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.